So, welcome to another Clojure Diary video. So, as I'm getting more and more confident in Clojure, yeah, I even got a part-time Clojure job. So that's the thing. I am becoming more bolder and trying to do something. So, many of you would have seen stuff like Notion, right? So, Notion so it is just a multi-tool. Multi-tool, you can do a lot of stuff, store personal as well as organization data and all those stuff. So that's the thing. And there is also another thing called Basecamp, right? So Basecamp, right? Uh, well, go Basecamp, yeah. Yeah, okay, yeah. This is Basecamp. And they're even saying that you don't even need Notion. That's a very, very bold claim, right? But yeah, like I like Notion. I also use Basecamp. It is also good. Not a problem. So like I just want to make another multi-tool and something like that because if I do make it, I will come across many challenges and I can learn Clojure more. So I did a stuff. I'm just doing a stuff called liberation. So I just put a page for it, and I'm just what to say, writing notes about it as web pages itself, like what this liberation will be, right? So, and of course, I use AI and I use Clojure for it. So this video is going to be how I use Clojure for it. So of course, I use Hiccup. So if you just take a look at this page, page.clj, it is totally Hiccup, right? So that's the thing, and I am also using another. Okay, I'm also writing another thing called static. Okay, so it's over here. So this is actually nothing but like a static website. So Jamstack, right? And the Jamstack is just Clojure, right? So that's the thing, and just Clojure and nothing else, right? So believe it or not. So of course Hiccup, and I'm just developing some libraries like Link, Favicon, and all those stuff, right? Um, the kind of thing you just need to build a simple web page, right? And maybe yeah, I'll just put this into Clojure so that like others can use it and all those stuff. I'm not really sure, right? So that's the thing. So that's going on. And yeah, and another thing what I just want to say is like I want to talk about mm, um the style sheet generation using a library called Garden, right? So this is the library called Garden, and it look I just wanted more and more stuff inside my Clojure project, and in this page, this images and all are there only in the output folder, and okay, so it works like this. Okay, so okay, oops. Um, so it works like this, so come on. If my net goes down now, I don't know, but it does happen. Okay, yeah, it works. So I just have a Clojure project. So a Clojure project, and I do have a output folder. This output folder, I just call it as pages, right? Pages, right? So this Clojure project, when run, generates the CSS HTML and puts into this pages. And this pages already has a directory called what to say assets, and then in this slash image, and that has what to say or the images. And Clojure generates style sheets and puts it into a directory called CSS, right? Maybe yeah, I can even show you that. Okay, so this is the Clojure project, and this is the pages, right? And the CSS is what is being generated. And this video is mostly about a thing called Garden, right? So it's a very excellent library to generate style sheets in Clojure, right? So that's the thing. So how it works is, yeah, you need to import and you need to require all these stuff in project.clj, right? In project.clj, you need to require this garden. And in styles, I'll just show you how it works, right? So I've just jacked in, right? So I'll just run this. right? So, and maybe we can do something like, okay, like CSS and what to say, like, yeah, a link color. Okay. So what it means is, okay, if it's an anchor tag and if it's a class dot link, okay, right? Maybe I need to put println over here, right? So like I'll just put a println, right? So it'll the println. Oops. So this is how it is. Okay. So a and dot link, that is the class link. That this will be the color. And of course, I don't think anybody will give color for a link like this, but yeah, I have given in my liberation pages, I have given a color like this because if I give something like bright red or whatever other things, blue, it doesn't look good. So that's the thing. So yeah. And another one, what I just really liked about Garden is it's bit okay, right? So like, let me just show you. So this is a media query, and for a long time I didn't understand how this media stuff work. So I also tell you like, yeah, how to read Clojure code. And in Garden over here too, there is nothing for media. I just think, yeah, there is nothing for media. So what I just did was like I just in search over here, right? I just did something like media, right? And I just found this thing at media and all those stuff. Okay, so right. So and the best place to see is in test. Okay, so is there any test? Yes. Okay, right. So and so yeah, this is the test I just doing at media screen true and all those things. So this is how I just what to say like look into Clojure projects. So like I just look into the test code. So mostly, yeah, Clojure people do test their code really well. And so even if they leave out something in documentation, right? So over here, that is like, yeah, in the main pages, right? So, and so that is over here. Oops. Oh, where did it go, right? Oops. Even if they leave it out in their main pages over here, right? In the README, it'll still be in the test folder. So that's how I just read it. So yeah, that's another thing. So yeah, so this is a query over here which is not there in the documentation. So garden maintainer or somebody like, yeah, if you can add it, please do. Or I'll just add it and I'll just give a PR. Hopefully you'll just accept it. So that's the thing. And now, yeah, and the thing what I just want to talk is the terseness. Okay, I don't know whether this is a Clojure property or what, right? So maybe if this brackets are there in the same line and all those things, yeah, this code will be terse. But somehow Clojure makes this stuff more readable. So I don't know why. Like definitely, I wouldn't like to have brackets and all in the same line in CSS, right? So just look at the number of lines over here, right? So I don't know why line numbers aren't displaying over here, right? So uh, I just don't know, right? Uh, line numbers have disappeared. Yeah, now it's disappearing. Yeah. So it's like, okay, 80 to 95, that's like 15 lines over here, right? What? 98 to 104, that's like, I even can count it like one, two, three, four, five, 6 lines. Okay, so I don't know. Yeah, of course. In Clojure, we all put the brackets in the same line and all those things, but I feel Clojure is much more readable and all those things. And Garden is good. Like maybe if you want to do something like, okay, like what to say in paragraph, okay, like red links, okay, red links. And in that, the anchor tag A should have what to say color red. And you can pass this to CSS. And sorry, and let me just print it. Okay, so and yeah. Okay. Yeah, it should be like this one. I'm sorry. Yeah. there should be another bracket. So here, right? So there should be another bracket. So here, and yeah, P red links here, right? And maybe like if I can just put like, okay, like, oops. Maybe if I just want something like, oh God, oh God. Okay, yeah. So maybe if I just want something like, okay, like another stuff, right? So um, let me just format this. Uh, okay, this is for A. And I'll just put something like this A. Okay, yeah, span color blue. Okay, yeah, span dot what to say uh yellow, and over here I'll just give like background yellow, right? Okay, background color yellow. So yeah, you can do this too. So just look. So it generates like this. Okay, P red links A and P this span, and yeah, it works, right? So that's how you can do. And you can get more complicated, right? So and P red links and what to say like div red links. Okay, so I'm just yeah, you don't even need this comma, right? So and just look, yeah, P red links span yellow and div red links span yellow. Yeah, so yeah, so it gets generated and it makes you build very terse CSS code. So that's what I just want to mainly talk in this video, like garden.css and how to read it, and or how to read any Clojure library in case like you're new to Clojure and you don't find something in the README. Don't panic, just uh, go to the test stuff and just search it. And if it's not there, yeah, you still need to go to the code. Yeah, that's one thing. Yeah. So yeah, that's it. So I'm just using Garden, and I just feel like okay, this page looks okay-ish enough, and that's the thing. And yeah, I'm just developing more and more documentation. In case you're curious where this is in liberation.codework.page. And I don't think look, I'll be. It's just for curiosity. It's just to learn Clojure. I'm just doing. Maybe this project could become a $1 billion business, or maybe not. And I think it's maybe not because I'm really lazy, right? And even if I get $1 billion, I don't know what to do with it. So frankly, yeah, like yeah. So anyway, so that's about it. So, but yeah, if anybody wants to work with me on this project, Liberation, I'm just working it on my free time. I do welcome, right? So then, yeah, we are close to $1 billion, right? So yeah, so we have double the probability of what to say, uh, getting $1 billion if another person joins me. So yeah, so yeah, so that's about it. So this is my crazy project, which I'm just doing with Clojure to understand web development, and mostly I think I'll be developing with BIF. Okay, so that's the thing, and because I don't want to take a lot of decisions, and I'm comfortable with it because. I'm from Ruby on Rails, and unlike other Clojure developers, I don't insist that I need to handpick all libraries and do it. Like for me, solution is more important than picking up libraries and doing a lot of research. So that's about it. But yeah, let's see like how things unflur. And but yeah, this is totally open project, so I'll be putting a lot of videos about it. Anyway, that's the thing. It's mainly about garden and how good it is. Yeah, that's all this video is about. Anyway, thanks for watching. Until we meet in next Clojure Diary video. Bye.